set off, 3 hours to Cherbourg, then about another 3-hour ride down to Verges. At the moment it's pretty grim this side of the water. Not cold, just grey and overcast and a bit misty. So yeah, looking forward to getting on the other side as the ride down to meet your shares. See you later. So our journey begins in France on the N13, leaving Cherbourg. It's given us an arrival time of 5:14, so let's have a little look. It's just coming up to 2 o'clock French time now, so 3¼ hours and we'll be there. Obviously we'll be stopping for a coffee or something, but hey, as long as the weather holds off, it should be a nice journey. See you in a bit. here we are, gathered for the ride up to Le Mans. Young Keith there, looking very good on his stallion. Julie's mounting hers. Yeah, oh, yeah, and she's on. Just a little adjustment. Peter! Cliff is on the zero. Everybody else, with the exception of a Triumph and a Honda, I think, are on BMWs. Of course, the superior machine. Yeah, so we're off to Le Mans. Nice little ride up. Go and have a look at the track in the museum. And happy days. Pardon?
Bonjour.
Anybody else want to say hello?
Hello.
Hello everybody. Hello. Hello everybody. Wait for the camera, there's good children. Thank you so much, lovely. Enough. So here we are at the Le Mans racetrack and the museum. Leith will no doubtly get us a discount of some sort. What sort of discount that will be and what we have to do for it, I don't know. But he will arrange something. So yeah, get some photographs, have a cup of coffee. Barry saying something after a bread roll, which he thoroughly enjoyed. Let's have a look, and I think we need to just have a little look at somebody's boots right now.
Oh, nice.
That's the fashion statement. That, ladies and gentlemen, is something to behold.
She's come to keep us out of trouble.
She's in comfy shoes, and we all know what that means. Girls in comfy shoes. As I said, Leif did negotiate a discount. Instead of it being €10 each, he's got it for €8 each. But apparently, we've got to give our wives up for inspection for this discount.
It really depends what the mechanic looks like.
So here we are. I'm going to smile now. So here we are at a castle, or a chateau. Somebody said it's Cinderella's castle. Not too sure about that, but all will be revealed, no doubt, with a few photographs. If you don't see anything, you'd know I didn't take any. Anyway, let's have a little look.
Mate, you
want commentary from me, mate?
now, I'm not sure which one is which, but the one on the right seems to be cheating a little bit. It seems to have a bit of a head start. What do you think, Keith Andrew? With your microphone in your hand, Keith?
Anything with women is dangerous.
Where women are in charge, and women is dangerous.
Are there any women on this tour?
Right, can you do me a favour? Pedal a little bit harder so I'm getting fed up of videoing.
And a bit of, we want a bit of power back, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Have they got any motorised boats?
Yes. Kim, yours is called Titanic.
Should we go and get one of those? Drag around them.
And the other one, Jane?
Lusitania?
No, Mary Celeste.
Yeah, fuck me down. Au revoir, bon voyage.